Nigerians, I want to ask you a question. Watch these people now, this security outfit. What these security people? These are the Eastern Security Network. Watch these people now and ask yourself, judge your conscience. Did these people look like terrorists in Yak? Did they look like kidnappers?
This is another interesting video that I want all the Biafrans to watch. After watching this particular video from our brother who based in American soldier, my brother, we will confirm that even the American government know that Eastern Security Network are not the terrorists. So just take home to your time and listen to this our brother and see the kind of question he's asking the Nigerian government about Eastern Security Network. So for those of you now that has been lying against Eastern Security Network, it is time for you guys to answer this kind of question. So if you know that the kind of video that I'm making, that you like everything about me, my brother, watch this video and also share your opinion in the comment section, because it get why. Don't forget to share and also drop your opinion in the comment section. And if you have not followed, do it to subscribe so that any day, anytime, you can be able to watch my video. One love.
Nigerians, I want to ask you a question. Watch these people now, this security outfit. What these security people? These are the Eastern Security Network. Watch these people now and ask yourself, judge your conscience. Did these people look like terrorists in Yak? Did they look like kidnappers? Did they look like terrorists? I just want you to ask yourself, judge yourself, use your mind, your church mind, judge these people, and write it on the comment section. Did these people look like terrorists, or did they look like bandits? I just want you to let me know. This is the Eastern Security Network Nnamdi Kanu created to protect our mothers and our sisters in the East. And you people have the mind to label them terrorists. Only God will judge all of you. Only God will judge all of you. Only God will judge all of you that are against these people. God will judge all of you. All your family will be by Fulani members, by Fulani bandits. All your family members will be by. Even you, the Fulani terrorists, they will buy you. On your way traveling, on your way coming back, they will catch you one day and buy you. You like it or not.
I'm still wondering why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is still in dungeon. The same offense that Sunday Igbo got or accused of is the same thing Mazi Nnamdi accused of. In fact, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is ahead of this guy. I'm not shaming him. He's a very clever guy, but Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is ahead. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu foresee the future. And what is important this morning is that I watch Anambra State's Governor Soludo Abga talking about APC. Like, okay, you know what? You APC, we are going to work together. We have to work together so that the West can have their second term. Then after that, then we now know, figure out what is going to happen in our side. What a shame. Me, my shame, they shame me to say I be Igbo person. I no go lie. I no go lie. Me, I dey feel shame well to call myself Igbo. I no go lie. I love being an Igbo that I am. Do you understand what I mean? But the thing is, why must Mazi Nnamdi Kanu still be there? In this era of everything where they happen. This man's supposed to be an asset for Nigeria. Now, the problem is this. Our political leaders in Southeast are shameless. You know, when somebody's poking you on your nose and you can't fight back, Baba Ma will tell you, everybody's supposed to get level. Even for jungle, where animal are they, everybody they respect their space. Hyena and lion. Who do you think get power pass for jungle? I want to use that as an example. Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, Calabar, Ishekiri, and etc. Jesus Christ. Are you getting my point? Inside jungle, hyena and lion, who get power pass? The power belong to the lion. But they no born lion well, make it go meet hyena. Yes, no matter how hungry the lion is, no matter how hungry lion be for jungle, they no born away, make they go. In fact, lion would rather die of hunger in the jungle than to go and meet hyena. Because you know, say hyena, no, they take shit. You know, they take nonsense. But when you are too gentle, people will take advantage of you. We, the Southeastern people, we have so much been taken advantage of, and we still don't see it. Shameless people. I mean, our leader will not be we, ordinary man. I'm not talking to we will be ordinary man. Animal wait there for jungle, clever pass our political leaders. Maybe many of them. Are you getting my point? Look at Nyesom Wike. Look at Nyesom Wike. When Buhari was still in power, he was used against the Igbos, his own people. Oh, go and buy them. Show us that you are one Nigeria. We clap for ourselves. They clap for him. I say for inside jungle, I'm still going to repeat this. Go and watch Animal Kingdom. They no born lion make you come meet hyena and say you want chopper. Hyena na small animal now. You no get power rich. Hyena will be say if you want buy animal, you no go fit kill her. Now you go just chop other animal without killing it. Anywhere where you see it bites, you don't get power. Even if now one hyena, one lion, no, they no born lion. The lion rather go just die. Hunger. That is exactly how we are being used in Southeast. We be mumu. Alex Oti has been fighting to open the Southeast seaport. The governments refuse him. They can't carry themselves. They go court. See, for this Israel, I never carry one thing to dash my family. When they watch my video now. As I did outside, so I get a lot of things where we say sometimes when you just take and you I no fit, because by the time I sent that fridge where they there to Lagos, then from Lagos to East, it become useless. You don't dare useful again. It's more expensive. If we have seaport for our side, I think carry this fridge, put there, say my sister need a fridge. My brother need a fridge. Microwave, anything, iron. But by the time you come put them for inside drum, they charge you finish. When you reach Lagos, you go come transport them again. Come they go east, it become useless. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we are quiet like nothing happened. No, nothing. The man where they condemn. Sunday Igbo, congratulations, my brother. They don't release all his property. As much as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has passed a lot of message to the Yoruba people. 10 years ago, this thing where they happen for Yoruba land, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has predicted this 10 years ago. Today, everybody they bring Amotekun. Who brought the idea of external security? Non-stakeholder security. The same Mazi Nnamdi Kanu brought the idea. When he creates the Eastern security outfit, then every government begin to say, okay, Amotekun. everybody begin to. This is man where we say this man is ahead of us. As we talk so as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they dungeon so. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is already in 2030 in his brain. Now when they go court, they are going to appeal. What are they appealing for? It's supposed to sentence him to death. He caused this and he caused that. Evidence will not get. Is it wrong for someone to fight for his rights? Self-determination. England where be una papa. England where be una papa. A mosquito. People are still fighting. Oh God, African people. I don't know if all this kidnapping is actually completely political. I don't know. I don't know. Me, I don't know. Because I'm as confused as everybody. Like, look at PDP. They're having issue with APC. In Oyo State, it's Makinde and the APC. Nyesom Wike have issues with the APC. What is happening now in the Yoruba land? I know, yes, there is kidnapping, but could be used to penetrate the Oyo State. That is my own thinking. Like, okay, all right. Now for Oyo State, the thing they happen past. The government has done nothing, absolutely. Even they may be telling you they are doing this, that. Make I tell you, if I am the president of Nigeria, I will do whatever it takes to bring foreign military to come. You know, go cost them much now. Not be to give them. You get something where they go spray for inside that forest. Everybody go sleep. Everybody go sleep, including those children go sleep. Not be satellite. Since you know sabi use satellite, let them come. When they come, it's going to cost you money. They will see where they are. And to just go spray the thing. A drone. Even suicide drone, where we say you go carry that thing. You go carry the suicide drone, where we say now that place you go land. You no go kill anybody. As he land, now so that thing. Not only one, you go carry like 10 suicide drone, we carry that chemical. Everybody will sleep. Including the children. You could know they tell me I'm not stupid. Everybody is shouting on social media that bring back the children, bring back the children. Now, the terrorists are asking for weapon. They say, give us weapon, give us food, and give us money. We are serving nation. Donald Trump, this is a serving nation. You can't. Igbo, Nto. Yes, we, the Igbo leaders. I'm ashamed of you guys. Seriously, where people they talk in politics, our political leaders in Southeast no supposed to talk. Not the only Igbo leaders, including Calabar, including Warri, but all of them are the same thing. What thing they do us, now they do. What thing they do now they do Igbo people. Sidelines. Oh yeah, show me your support now. Okay, I'm a Calabar man. I'm not an Igbo. Show me your support. No. We are Igbo. We are not the same. Go same support. Okay. Show me your support as a river man. You don't have. All the oil waiting for us, they don't milk and finish. When our people they die of it, kidney-ish problem. What do you think say they cause? Bad water where they drink. All the polluted air where they sniff. I'm ashamed of you guys. The mosquito go buy me this house. So today I opened the door now. You know the mosquito doesn't carry malaria, but if you don't let me sleep, me say website I sleep well. I thank God for my body. I sleep well, so mosquito self go chop. I even want make mosquito come chop my blood, make I slim. So it's quite unfortunate that we the Igbos are so, the Igbo leaders are so shameless. You know, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we're supposed to fight. See, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is trending on social media now. All the thing where you don't talk years back is trending now. Some people now they hear him say, which time this man talk this thing? Because they didn't want to listen to him. Say, not terrorist. Whew. Nah. Anytime I see Sunday Igboho on social media, I also think about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Why him? Why us? Why? For carrying a microphone and talk about political freedom. Wow. NSAS, they carry and put for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu head. They've bribed him, giving him money to keep quiet. He refused. Say, okay, you will die here. You know one collect billions of money. And our political leader did not see this man as an asset. We won't go heaven, we won't go heaven. We are looking for God. You don't know that God come in a form of human. There will always be a voice that will forefront that man. I can't do what he do. If not me, I for those, I don't come out. It's concern. Because this world where you see so, sufferness no go fit. Sufferness can never stop in this world. Let me tell you, nobody can end poverty in the world. Some people go to do well, some people go to, now so life go be. Some people go poor. That's so it be. The government cannot come and give us share money to people. It's not possible anywhere in the world. Money is printed. And money is being controlled by people. We are programmed like human. You are programmed to work hours. You are being paid. It is programming. Everything is being programmed. So me, if I get opportunity of talking to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I will talk to him, Baba. You see, this your little life will remain. Yeah, you should be above 50 now. Now, spend the rest of your life. And Ojukwu did not die a happy man. Nelson Mandela did not die happily. And I'll tell you why Mandela did not die very happy. Throughout his young age, he was fighting for the apartheid as a young man. In and out of prison. When I was in South Africa, I read in the newspaper. I did send newspaper when I did South. I read in the newspaper where Mandela said, please don't call me in your political issues anymore. Me, as person with the wise, waiting that one talk, say, I'm tired. He stepped down and said, don't involve me. I will come to you if I need you. Now, waiting Mandela talk. I read the newspaper now like this, that time. I don't know if it's 2013, 2011, I mean 2000 and what. I went to South Africa 2008. So in between those times before I read the paper. I say, why must this man say so? Then I begin to think, okay, he was in prison, in and out of prison. Now he doesn't want to be involved. You know, when things are happening in political, this thing, oh, they want to say, Mandela said this, Mandela said that. Mandela did not say, pim, until he died. Nah. He said, don't involve me. So Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should also come out and relax and let other people pick up. We know there are people that God give the voice to talk. Not all of us. Some of us are cowards. Myself, I don't trust myself. If you give me the money, I will collect them. Yeah, I made. Because, excuse me, I they go walk. Let me use my eye clearer. My eye red. Yeah, when I wake up, my eye the day, like say I smoke Igbo. So I put this to calm it down. So I don't know what to say anymore concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I don't know. Sunday Igboho is going everywhere. It's not more. Everything, they don't forgive him, we don't go. Now, not be saying that Sunday Igboho. Now the Yoruba people, they stand with their own people. They stand with their own people. You see, there's something I don't want to say, and I'll say it again. Peter Obi may compromise, no, not compromise, may sabotage Nigeria. And I'll tell you why. They are afraid of Peter Obi. They are afraid of Igbo people. I think I shouldn't say this. Make I leave her. Make it just stay inside my head. Because anybody where we can't set up Nigeria must massacre people. Anybody who is ready to save Nigeria, he must come to do what? Buy people politically. Even those where we say they don't, even those who don't serve before. Even people like Obasanjo supposed to be prison. All the atrocities where they don't commit in Nigeria long ago, where they don't hold, nobody is held responsible. All the past presidents, even Babangida as he did so, is supposed to be prison. Gowon supposed to be prison. All people past and present politicians, they go to look into their wardrobe. Me, if una give me make I be president for only 4 years, me, I no go do anything. No. I no go really do anything, but I go now. So I go there everywhere. But myself, I go ready say I decline. I go head meeting now, slow and steady. Now I no go 4 years, but now one day I go carry out my all the politicians. We go get is it conference or symposium? When me I go there anyway, I no go be president. When we say they hide for us, they go build one big hall where they say all of us now there we go pine together. I go don't write one better letter keep. Say after this thing if it happen, all the political leaders state everything make una start afresh. See they make una change the constitution. I'm doing this for all the youth. All of us now inside there we go pine finish. And now foreign machinery I go use, including me will be president. Foreign machineries. As they build that place, they don't plant time bomb there. The meeting I not go do them only once. But I go do meeting for Eastern governors. Go do meeting for this slow and steady. 1 year they go down, they no go know what thing they happen. All the corrupt leaders I go don't write their children all their property make una seize them. Make their children go start afresh. Time bomb. Pass. Story go enter everywhere in the world. Hey, our president, Mr. This. What happen? Hey, na terrorist. Now when they don't go my wardrobe, go read my letter, they say, this is a hero. Yes, if we not do like that, even as at that, Nigeria must be restructured, change the constitution. Nobody is better than another. You are practicing Sharia law under the political law. Are we Saudi Arabians? We are not Arabian people. We must have a law that work with us. If you want to be Saudi Arabians, let the Northerners have their country. You can't practice Sharia law under a political law. Everybody's not a Muslim. You are turning all of us into Muslim. To hell with you guys.